Look, when we talk about these things, you need to understand that people in general, they don't care about the measures you take.
Yeah.
So one very important thing is you need to have some authority. Number one, cover your own butt.
Yeah, absolutely.
But have some authority in, or whoever your remote observer or your hose guy is. They need to have a little gumption about themselves too, and be able to control the foot traffic or the car traffic. Um, because if you don't, you can end up in a bad situation. That matter of fact, that same building where I was having a little foot traffic issue, early one morning, I put out my caution tape, which is a must. A1.
Yeah.
The thing you do is put out caution tape and sign. They will
friend.
save your life.
Caution tape is your best friend.
So I'm sitting up. I just landed. It was the first flight of the day. I look over, and bless her heart, it was a 60, 70-year-old woman, had somehow gotten under my caution tape and was heading upstairs. And as she was trying to get under the tape and go up the stairs, she managed to fall up the stairs and kicked her shoe so far it went onto the top of the stairs. So I immediately go over and help her up. I didn't say anything, but I wanted to be like, now, why? I know you saw the caution tape because you had to go under it, and that's what caused this. I immediately found the company that had hired us to do that and told them, like, look, you can go watch it on videotape or whatever. And the first thing he says is, did you have your tape up? And I was like, well, actually, the caution tape's kind of what caused it. She was going under it to, go upstairs, as that was the shortest walk. And he said, well, you're good.
Yep.
Don't worry about it. You got your caution tape up, you're fine.
Right.
And, little shameless plug, you can go, we got some discounted caution tape. You can go to the links on our little Amazon associate links, but also we have the signs, personalized, customized signs you can get it little A-frame, and it notifies people that are coming in that workspace, look, be aware, exterior cleaning's happening.
Yeah.
Or you can say, be aware, drone cleaning's happening. And that kind of lets them know that
it's really professional.
That and the possibility of, there can be some drift.
Yeah.
It lets them know that there's cleaning happening at a height. Same risk are involved as a man lift as far as overspray. I actually think it's a little bit less with a drone because I feel like in many scenarios I can get closer than you can with a lift. But and it offers a little branding. I always love when we can blend safety and branding. But these are some easy things. Matter of fact,
it's too cheap. Caution tape is too cheap. Signs are too cheap to not have them. There's no excuse.
Well, and I'll flip it. I'm saying, we're both saying how easy it is.
Yeah.
But if you're not willing to take these measures, take these steps, then you're probably not a professional.
I agree.
You probably, this may be the wrong game for you.
Yeah, if you don't want to do that.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, we're talking about the general public not taking heed or, caution tapes or whatever. But, what if it's a contractor is not doing the basic things?
Right.
And, sprays at mama carrying a 4 or 3-year-old with SH.
Yeah.
That ain't going to be fun.
I
don't think I want to feel that bad about something. So I'm just going to take the proper precautions to make sure that I have control of the job site, that we have control of the job site. So let's move on.